update to a tornado.
The National Weather Service Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dade County in northeastern South Dakota, Marshall County in northeastern South Dakota until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Putney, or 9 miles north of Houghton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claremont around 9:50. Amherst around 10:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Britain and Kidder. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Day, and Marshall.